Welcome to John's Guitar Lab. Today is just sort of a little something to have fun with. Okay, yes, it's still a lesson, but it has to do with chords that you already know. The term that's used is called the homogenized. No, that's milk. Harmonized major scale. Okay? If a cow plays it, it's homogeneous. No. Okay, listen up. What we're going to do, I'm going to show you some pictures of some chords in the order of the C scale. In other words, C, D, E, F, G, A, B. Okay? But I'm going to give you the names of the chords and how they fit in the major scale. Now, why they fit there and specifically how that's done, that would be a theory lesson. This is a have fun lesson, okay? First chord in the C scale, C major. I know we know this, all right? Second chord is D minor, all right? Now this is for a major scale, D minor, all right, just the second chord. Third chord is E minor. Okay. Fourth chord, famous F chord, properly named. Fifth chord is the G chord. Sixth, A minor. Okay, now up until this point, we've noticed that it did go C, D, E, F, G, A. Now, the seventh chord is G7. Just for your information, technically, harmonically speaking, in terms of what's in the theory books, it's referred to as a B leading tone. All right? When you break it apart, the chord could be represented with a G7 chord. All right, so we would have C, D minor, E minor, F, G, A minor, okay, B leading tone, G7, and back to C. Let's just give it a listen and see some of the fingering and see what it looks like, what it sounds like. Again, this is just something for fun. But later on down the road, when you have to harmonize the scales, you already have a little bit of a head start. Okay? Here's what it sounds like. C, A minor, D minor, E minor, F, G, A minor, B leading tone, G7, C. Now, if we were truly harmonizing, I have trouble with that. If we were making the song, playing the scale, in harmony, this is what it would sound like. That's going note for note. Instead, I'm just giving you the chords in the open position. They're the same chords, but the voicing or where we're placing the notes in the chord in a few places is just a little bit different. So again, C, D minor, E minor, F, G, A minor, tone, G7, C. All right, again, have fun with it, because a lot of songs that you play, especially if you're in the key of C, you'll have a lot of this. have fun with it, all right? Don't get crazy. Just have some fun with it. All right? That's it for now. If you like it, thumbs up. All right? Any questions, comments below. All right? Please subscribe. Enjoy yourself.